Maybe, I think si Senator Cheese, part sa iyang speech, yung siya na, you either, is it parang ipano lang natin ang Constitution or you just hate the Dutertes? What is your take on that?
Well, I am not surprised sa declaration ni Senator Cheese Escudero because daghan kaayo ang ingana ng mga individuals, no? Tungod lang because they are colored yellow or they are colored pink or they are Marcos loyalists. And kalaban nila ang kalaban nila si former President Rodrigo Duterte. By deduction, kalaban nila ako. So, murag gilabel nila ang tanan Duterte as one Duterte and then we are anti-Duterte all the way. So, I am not surprised nga naay statements na ingana because makita nato na sa ato ang mga ubang kaigsuunang Pilipino.